Unbelievable. Dramatic. Witness the most demanding transport missions, where every movement is a test of skill, strength, and precision. In a challenging work environment, the Vale Products skid steer ASV RT120 tree saw shines with its incredible performance, easily taking down large trees in a snap. If you are also impressed with this machine, leave a like or a subscription. The Quadco QB 3500 bar saw is a beast mounted on the Timber Pro TL755D. It features a powerful 35 horsepower engine and a 36-inch cutting blade. The design is optimized for precision and performance, making it ideal for heavy-duty logging tasks. Before the towering pine tree with a trunk circumference of 22 feet 8 inches, the Stihl MS-880 chainsaw roars like a steel beast. Its sharp blade screams as it cuts through, each wood fiber splitting with the thunderous sound of the engine, marking the start of a powerful and precise felling performance. With the chainsaw roaring, the lumberjack channels all his strength and skill, each sharp cut sinking deep into the massive cedar tree. The tree begins to tilt, then crashes down with a thunderous thud, creating a stunning fall. The lumberjack and Oppo's skill leaves everyone holding their breath in anticipation. Designed for handling large and complex logs, the Warada 616C ensures fast and accurate cutting and processing of tree trunks, increasing productivity in large-scale logging projects. When it comes to power and exceptional efficiency, the Fekin BHP 270 power unit combined with the BH80EXE mulcher is a game changer. With its powerful output, this system easily handles tough soil and tree roots, transforming even the harshest terrains into a smooth, level surface in no time. You definitely won in Oppo's. To be able to take your eyes off this scene. The powerful yard truck is at work, unloading wood rapidly from the truck bed onto the ground. Heavy logs pile up high, as the machinery operates with precision, delivering exceptional efficiency and speed. In the noisy atmosphere of the recycling yard, the CBI 5400 crushes wood waste powerfully and efficiently. Piles of wood debris are continuously scooped up, then fed into the grinding system. This scene truly showcases the impressive power of modern technology. Wow. A roaring Jeep pickup yanks a tree stump straight out of the ground. With a powerful engine and a taut winch cable, the whole thing happens in just seconds.
You broken half of it.
Honestly, this scene is impossible to look away from. The PTO Woodland Mills WG-24 stump grinder roars to life, tearing through stubborn stumps in an instant. The machine rumbles, its blades spinning rapidly, creating a powerful and impressive display of destruction. When the job demands power and efficiency, the SC850 Pro stands out with its powerful engine, roaring through the air. Its strong mechanical arm reaches out effortlessly, removing even the toughest stumps. Each stump removal is a testament to the strength and precision of cutting-edge technology. A symphony of steel echoes through the mountains. The Axer 3340 timber truck, fully loaded with logs from MT, moves steadily, its heavy wheels grinding along the steep road. The roar of the engine mixes with the sound of wood crashing, creating a powerful and mesmerizing industrial scene. This is how you battle on these harsh terrains, with pure power. The heavy machinery uses a winch to pull the timber truck through slippery, muddy, and challenging steep roads. A spectacular display of willpower and engineering in action. A specialized equipment for sawing and rounding Sherwood trunks of 32 with a capacity of 32 horsepower. The machine is capable of processing wood with high precision and stable performance. In factory tests, the machine operates durably, meeting the strict requirements of the industrial wood processing industry. Amid the damp winter forest, the Timberjack 810B moves silently but powerfully into the thick woods. Its wheels grip the slippery ground firmly, precisely picking up each cold, wet log. The scene is both harsh and impressive, showcasing the machine and Oppo's exceptional strength. The HDS Loglift 251S forklift roars as it charges in, its crane arm extending smoothly, lifting large logs with precision. The sound of machinery echoes through nature, creating a powerful and precise wood transport scene with every move. Take your wood processing to the next level with the powerful Moorbark 30 of 36 chipper. Equipped with a cabin, rail-mounted feed system, large wood chute, and the upgraded Moorbark 250 feeder instead of the standard 180, this machine operates with a Cat 600 HP engine, reverse fan, work lights, and a rock protection system beneath the vehicle. Each solid log is processed swiftly, powerfully, and precisely, delivering exceptional performance in any condition. The fierce roar of the V8-powered hot saw tore through the forest, sparks flew everywhere, tree trunks fell in the blink of an eye, leaving behind sharp cuts down to the millimeter.
Just like going out for a little Sunday drive down the road.
With breakthrough technology and impressive processing capabilities, the MDL Power-Up 82,000 pounds Mega Split Pro delivers incredible power with every wood split. The engine roars as the splitting blade presses down with massive force, splitting even the thickest logs in an instant. Each operation is a mechanical performance of pure strength and precision. It and Oppo's is truly a breakthrough. The 80 by 80 rotor screen, with 50 small blades, operates powerfully under the control of a 75 kilowatts engine. With a capacity of 7,716 to 8,818 pounds per hour, the blades spin rapidly, separating materials quickly. Witness this monster tow truck struggling to pull the Tatra timber truck stuck in the muck. The massive wheels spin, but the thick mud stubbornly holds tight. The scene is full of tension as both giant machines battle against nature itself. Are you crazy about giant machines? Come join me in discovering the power of the LKT-81T skidder. Subscribe to the channel so we can chat. Truly impressive performance from this machine. The Hacky Pilk 55 Pro processes firewood quickly and precisely. Each log is cut, split, and neatly stacked in no time. This is the power of modern technology in the wood processing industry. The Bruks 1006 points wood chipper, powered by a Volvo FH16 750 HP engine, is a true game-changer in the logging industry. With 750 horsepower, it pulverizes tough materials like a champion, delivering unmatched performance while saving time and labor on the job. Next up, the Z6000 grinder roars to life, its powerful engine working at full capacity. The sharp blades cut through each log, crushing them into fine wood chips, showcasing immense power and precision in every turn. The machine tears through large logs, cutting powerfully through each 20-foot piece of wood. The engine roars loudly as the sharp saw blade slices effortlessly through the tough wood. Each cut is strong and precise, creating a powerful and skillful display. With advanced technology, the CNC machine, featuring a powerful engine and high capacity, offers precise cutting, engraving, and shaping for wooden doors. This latest design enables the creation of intricate details with absolute accuracy, resulting in beautifully crafted wooden door products.